He takes a little bit.
And that's okay. You think it takes time. Come on. Open our mouth and we'll put it in. If you open your mouth, we'll put it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you. It's like, I don't think I really want it. Oh, there you go.
He might not take too much because he drank a lot today.
Good, did he? Oh, he's like, pretty good stuff. Let's go see. Oh.
She feels very neglected.
Was that good? Is that all you want? I'm gonna phone. Come on.
He might not
want to
want
answer? Order.
Oh, sure.
Come on. You better. You can answer.
Hello.
You have to eat to grow.
Hi. Sorry about that.
You have to eat
I'm listening to your ring and I'm too big. I'm telling you, friggin' focus. What's going on? Yes.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh, are you kidding me?